Hello everyone, this is Molly from KNDMAX. KNDMAX is your professional manufacturer of log splitter, wood chipper, and mini dumper. Today I will show you the best gasoline wood chipper GC156. This is the optional engine. You can choose the brand you like. This is the off-road tires. This wood chipper have a large size feeding bucket. This is the emergency stop level. You can stop the machine when emergency. This is the 360 rotary discharge chute. This is the adjustable deflector. This is the support frame. And this is the coupler hitch. This is the belt cover. Together with KNDMAX, we build the future.